Yeah, hi guys.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, guys.
Sir, only four.
I'm wondering why today very less people joined till now. So Divyansh, Hitesh, Nabhya Sai. Yeah, what about the homework? You guys did homework? Yeah, you guys did any homework or no? Hitesh, Nabhya, and others? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So only 3 students joined.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
Okay. And are you guys comfortable converting these decimals to fractions? Yeah, decimal to fractions. You can tell orally also.
7/10. First,
One second. Second.
I can't see second.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
hectic.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Second one. Yeah, tell me.
Second, 1/10.
Hmm.
1/10.
Yep. Next. Yes. Next. You have to simplify third one.
4/10.
You have to simplify this. 27 by 50, right? Then fourth.
57/100.
Right. Then fifth.
4/100. 4/100.
Yeah. Then you have to simplify.
Yes,
Answer
sir.
should be in
I'm
a simplified
simplifying.
form.
Yes, sir. I'm simplifying.
No, 4 by 100 you have to simplify further. 4 by 100 you have to simplify.
1 by 25.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 1 by 2.
Right.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Yeah, 5 by 10 or 1 by 10. Yeah.
1 by 2. Sir, I have simplified 5 by 10.
Yeah.
5 1 5.
Yeah. Okay. Here, how to do? Did you understand or you need help? Tell me. You understand, but why you are silent? Why you mute your audio? Yeah. Tell me.
So which number?
Yeah, one after one. Yeah, one after one, guys. So Nabhya, then Hitesh, and then Divyansh in that sequence. Okay.
9 by 10.
Yep, right. 9 by 10. Yes. Next. Next, Hitesh.
Sir, I can't see the 8th one, sir.
Oh yeah, whatever you could see, tell me. 9th one you could see, tell me.
Yes, sir.
24.
2.
Yeah, you can tell me step by step. That is also fine. 24 by 100.
24 by 100.
Then simplify. 6 by 25. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Yeah. Then next.
1 by
Divyansh.
100.
4 by 10. 4 by 10 or 2 by 5.
Sir, I have done number 10.
10. Okay. 10 you could see. Okay. I can't see here. Okay. Fine. Yeah. No, we are doing vertically. Yeah. Okay. This is 1 by 100. Fine. Very good. Yeah. This is behind your photo videos. Yeah. But you could see. Yeah. Then 12th one, tell me.
84 by 100.
Yeah. You have to 21 divided by 25. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Do you have paper and pen?
Sir.
Every one of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then, yeah. This is 46 by 50. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. So decimal to fractions you are very good at, and I will send worksheet on this.
Yes, sir.
Decimal to fractions. Yeah, and here, yeah, little hard compared to fraction or mixed fraction. Okay, so you guys know how to do this? Tell me. Why everyone is silent?
628 by 10.
There is some simple technique is there.
Six 2 by 10.
I will tell here, guys, this is important. This thing I can write like 62 plus 0.8. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now it is easy to write. 62, you write 62 as it is, then done. But you have to simplify here. Getting?
Sir.
You have to simplify
Yes,
this.
sir.
How can I simplify this? Tell me. 62, 2 4 times, 2 5 times. This is the answer. Is this easy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, it's
You don't
62
understand?
4 by 5. I have got the answer.
Yep. So this is direct method. You can directly do this thing. Yeah, Kriti. So here we are converting this decimal into fraction or mixed fraction. So here 62 I had written 62.8, I had written 62 plus 0.8. Then 62 as it is. 8 means 8 upon 10 or 8 by 10. When I simplify 62 as it is, 8 by 10 I can simplify to 4 by 5. There is one more method, is the indirect method. That takes a lot of time. Generally everyone use that one. So what general people will do, 628 divided by 10. Then you simplify this thing. 2 5 times, 2 3 times you will do. Again you will convert this to mixed fraction. It will take a lot of time. Everyone understanding? So instead of doing that thing, I can directly do this thing. 62 plus 0.8, that is But you have to simplify 8 by 10. You have to simplify. How I can simplify 62? 4 by 5. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Then second one.
Sir, can you tell it again?
Yeah, I will do the next one now. You will understand. Yeah, okay. Here what I told now, 57 plus 0.2. Am I right? 0.02. 57.02. I split into two numbers. 57 plus 0.02. This how I can write 57. Last time I told 2 plus 0.5 means I can directly 0.5. I can directly put it here. So here 57 plus 2 by 100. Okay. 57 plus 2 by 100. Then how to simplify this? This is 1 by 50. That plus sign, okay, this plus sign I did not put. So how I can write? I can write. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. How could you write? So this thing 57, then 2 by 50. That's it. Yeah. Then this thing 53, 5 by 10. Guys, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can do this in step by step. Otherwise, directly I can do like this. 53.5 means 53 and a half. Convinced?
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Shaurya. Why you guys are late today? Kriti also late. So decimals to mixed fractions we are doing now. And I'm splitting the given number into two parts. 76 plus 0.88. And this thing how I can write? 76 plus 0.88. I can write like 88 divided by 100. And this part I have to simplify. How I can simplify? 4 divided by 4. So the answer is 76 plus 22 upon 25. 76 plus 22 upon 25. The plus symbol I can avoid. 76, 22 upon 25. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now you guys do all these sums. Okay. From, yeah. First few I already did, but still you can do for practice. Getting? Yeah, do. Once you finish, we'll check answers. This one only we are doing, I think, no? Okay. Whose ID is this? Mike Pat?
Sir, finish writing, sir.
Okay. Up to all 16 sums.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And who else still doing? So only one response saying done with everything. Then you can just cross check. Meantime, others also will finish.
Done, sir.
Anyone still need help or you can do? Everyone comfortable or you need help? Tell me. Yeah, check the answers.
All correct, sir.
Very good.
Correct, sir.
Very good. Yeah.
Divyansh, all correct.
Shaurya, 2 logins we have today. Shaurya, 2 logins I could see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, division we don't need. Yeah, fraction multiplication we will do. These are very simple. Whole number with a fraction. Remember we discussed this. Yeah,
Yeah.
how to do this thing? Guys, tell me. How to do this?
Sir, which number one? Sir, where
Yeah.
is number one?
Okay, yeah, what? Very good. Yeah, number 1, tell me.
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
Yep. Second.
1 by 5.
Yeah, tell me answers.
1
Yeah.
by 5.
Quickly.
1 by
Next.
3.
1 by 3.
By
Hmm.
7.
6 by 7.
Hmm.
6 by 7. 27
Yes.
by 4. 16 by 11. 3 by 10.
Hmm.
1.
Yep, 1. It is 7th one is 1. Yes, 8th. 8th one. Is everyone comfortable or anyone need help?
Three. 4 2 by 3. Number 8. 4.
Okay. Yeah, I'm putting it here. Okay. Yeah, everyone comfortable or anyone need help here? So whatever is that thing. We discussed it. So here 4 means 4 upon 1. 9 means 9 upon 1. So multiplication is numerator, numerator. Denominator, you have to multiply the denominator with the denominator.
Sir, we can
Okay.
cancel them.
So 10 more minutes we have. After that we have to, yeah, 10 minutes we have. After that we have to join the class again. Yeah. And 8th one also. Here you have to simplify, after that multiply. So here 11, 3 2 times, 3 3 times. Okay, so 22 upon 3. Getting? And here 9th one, 11 times, 2 3 times, 2 4 times. So 33 upon 4. Right? Yeah, 10th one, tell me. 2 2 times, 2 3 times. Again 7 2 times, 14 upon 3.
4 2 by 3.
Multiplication this one. Again you have to multiply. So 7 as it is, then 2 2 times, 2 3 times. So 14 by 3. Okay.
4 2 by 3, sir. Answer of last. I have like that.
Okay, you converted. Okay, fine, fine. Yeah.
You are very
Yeah.
few students.
So do this one. We'll check answers. 1 second. Yeah. You could see, na? You can zoom if you have touch screen. You could see the complete sum starting from 1 to 10. Yeah, write answers in your notebook. After that, we'll check the answers once you finish.
Oh, so 1 minute.
Sir, what is the denominator of the last question? I can't see
Yeah,
properly the
yeah. I will just scroll
denominator.
up. Yep, yeah. Guys, you joined using link only, na? Using the link that I shared with you.
No, sir.
Here, yeah, huh? Yeah.
I joined with the password and
So link,
used.
it was asking password. Generally, it won't ask, na? Link won't ask password, but this time it is asking. Yeah, everyone finish?
Sir, 1 minute. Only 3 questions left.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hey, check the answers.
Sir, all correct.
Very
Not
good. Yeah.
correct.
Okay, very good.
Sir, all correct.
Superb. Yeah, do this one as well. You have to simplify, then multiply. First do simplify, then multiply. That will be easy. We just have 3 minutes. I hope you could finish this. Very simple stuff this is.
Sir, done.
Okay. And everyone, you can just cross check.
Done.
Yeah, we have just 1 minute time. Guys, whoever completed, just cross check, and we will check answers after a few seconds. Just give it 10 seconds. So let others also finish. And don't change your name. Keep your actual name. Okay. The reason why we allowed to change the name is you may be using your dad's or mom's login, but you can keep your name. So student's name we want to see. Keep always student's name. Yep. Yeah, check the answers. We have less than 1 minute time. We will disconnect after checking your answers.
All correct. All correct.
Very
Yes.
good. Very
Sir,
good.
all correct.
Perfect. So everyone did checking.
Yes.
Sir, all correct.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we will end session and